Wait, please, your lordship, my lord, item 17 and 18 of today's list, my lord. Can it be taken up after 2-3 weeks, my lord? There are some developments, my lord, in the government level, which may favor our case. 17 and 18.
Yeah, you have informed the other side.
Yes, my lord, my senior, additional senior advocate general is here.
Yeah, the lordship, my lord, item 5, this matter may kindly be listed after vacation, review vacation. Other party is the government.
Lordship, in item numbers 9, 10, and 11, the matters pertain to an eviction drive which was proposed to be carried out at Amsang Wildlife Sanctuary, Your Lordship. Some further instructions are required, Your Lordship. May I pray for 2 weeks? Deeply obliged.
I'm appealing one of the.
Please.
Lord, I pray for listing of this IA next week, my lord. Now, there was a connected case, my lord, where an order was passed that they shall not finalize the tender process, my lord. In this case, also inadvertently that it was also listed on the same day, my lord. May I pray, my lord, this matter be taken up next week, either on 9th or 10th, my lord.
9, 10, 10, now it is not possible. 17.
May I please, Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 7, my lord. Similar matter is fixed on 31st of January, my lord. So this matter also may kindly fixed on 31st. My lord.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I am appealing for a respondent. Lordship, may kindly take up the matter. There's nothing. No merit.
You want time, I don't want to be here. All my last 3 days. Next. You can understand why is he asking for time as we understood.
My lord.
Then. Next.
Similar.
Follow up.
Item number 1.
May please, your lordship. Your lordship, in this matter, we have to take fresh steps against some of the respondents. Your lordship.
Time to
4
take
weeks time
rest
will be
of this granted till 25th of January.
deeply obliged, your lordship.
Next.
Item number 2.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, today matter has come up for admission, lordship. Lordship, in this case, lordship, my senior will appear in this case, lordship, and we have taken some consent from the other side, lordship.
Next.
Obliged, lordship. After vacation, lordship.
Literally now. Which vacation?
Lordship.
Summer
Which vacation? Bihu vacation, lordship.
or summer vacation?
No, lordship. Bihu vacation.
Oh.
Lordship.
Item number 3.
Obliged.
Lordship, analogous section is already been executed by Lordship. It is a common arrangement of common judgment by the CSET. Opposite party has already appeared in this case.
We will pass similar order.
Lordship.
Same order.
Much okay.
Even in IA?
IA Lordship, IA also Lordship is passed in same order. Rising out of the common judgment passed by the CSET, where section 11B has been challenged.
So same order in IA also.
Lordship.
Next.
Item number 4.
May it please, your lordship. My citizen read appeal filed against the order dated 19th of July 2021, passed in WPC 3298/2021, whereby the learned single judge was pleased to dismiss the with petition, my lord. My lord, the petitioner who was working as an unarmed branch constable, my lord, went for a leave for 10 days, my lord. But he couldn't return. He could not return on time as he was suffering from neurological disorder, my lord. But 2 show cause notices were served upon him, and finally a removal order was passed, my lord, on 10th of September 2014, my lord. My lord, the allegation was made against him was dereliction of duty and negligence, my lord. My lord, the learned
Miss Barua,
yes, my lord.
the impugn order is of 2014.
Yes, my lord.
You challenged it in which year?
My lord, 2019, my lord, because the person was suffering from
5
neurological.
years. So in 14, you may not be a law graduate also. I don't know whether in 19
No, my
also
lord, I
you were
was
there also.
2020. I was.
Take your chance before another bench. Petition.
Item number 6.
Yes, Mr. Chaudhary. You will be appearing. It's a review board matter, review medical board matter. Earlier one Mr. P. Deka appeared for it.
Yes, Lordship, it's allotted to Mr. Weaver.
Re-allot it in your favor. At the request of Mr. R.K.T. Chaudhary.
Lordship.
Next.
Matter number 8.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, the appellant is the elected president of Kanai Bazar Gaon Panchayat in the district of Karimganj, my lord. A no confidence motion was brought by certain members against her. And that was the meeting was held on 13/6/22, my lord. When the proceeding was going on, my lord, the secretary suddenly became unconscious. He was taken to hospital. And in that process, the meeting was adjourned, my lord, by the respondent number 8, who is the vice president. Now, there are alternative remedy, my lord. That remedy is under section 15(3) of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994. And there is also a provision that under Assam Panchayat Act 1994, that is section 15(5) proviso, that if the earlier no confidence motion has, due to some reasons, did not held, so it become infractious. The next meeting,
No, but after this judgment, the meeting was held as per the direction.
no, as well, it is fixed on 9, my lord.
Then
It is fixed on 9. This is the letter, my lord. It is on Monday, my lord.
let it come on Monday. What difference does it make?
No, matter is this, my lord, as far, my lord, we have plenty of judgments.
Mr. Mohammed,
Let me,
in a democratic setup, the majority prevails.
that is true, my lord, but
And it was not cancelled. It was adjourned because of foreseen circumstances.
my lord, let me satisfy, my lord, your lordships. Thing is this, there is statutory provision.
That we will see.
Then instead of going to that provision, they have directly come to High Court.
Wait till 17th. Next,
So, my lord, some interim protection may be given, my lord.
SO to 17. Send over to 17. Next,
Matter number 44 of
Some
supplementary
relief, my lord, some
what relief?
relief.
Majority will
Then it
prevail.
not avail section 15(3).
That way even the writ petition was not maintainable.
That is, I am saying, man, that
That
is,
you can argue, but that will examine. That can be examined at this stage.
that will examine, but in the meanwhile, if the meeting held, then what is the purpose?
Next.
That is some observation of, semi-subject to the outcome of this writ appeal, that may kindly be observed.
Nothing. It is always told. Notice is issued long back. Next,
Matter number 44 of supplementary list.
May it please, my lord. My lord,
how many chances?
my lord,
How many chances for passing LLB?
passing LLB, my lord, normally, my lord, 3 and additionally 2 additional
Then,
chances.
and you filled in the form on 14th of October. Beyond the date of, last date of submission of the form.
My lord, we were pursuing with the authorities, my lord, specific.
Pursuing is no, it will not extend the
In
time
fact,
limit.
my lord, the petitioners, my lord, approached the UGC Northeastern Council,
But if you see, if you don't pursue remedy,
my lord.
then the matter ends there.
No, my lord,
We
we,
can see under 226.
my lord, I understand, my lord.
This is also writ appeal basic jurisdiction is 226.
Absolutely, my lord.
We can't change that date or extend the date.
No, my lord, we are not paying that for extension. my
Naturally,
lord.
you
We paid for that,
read para 30 onward.
my lord, what we paid,
Are
Before-
you aware about that saying Neem Hakim Khatre Jan?
my lord.
There is a saying Neem Hakim Khatre Jan.
Oh.
A person who fails in post LLB for 3 times, he will be here as a lawyer.
No,
You have to pass out.
Yes.
Open university does not mean that it is open on every aspect.
definitely, my lord, but what we said that, but because
There is no
our,
fault in the judgment, sir. If you want to take chance in another bench, I may adjourn it simply.
problem is that, my lord, from 8th exam has already
And
been,
naturally, they have to. You can't be given a go by of the rules.
lordship may pass that, we may be, I have filed an application for positive direction, IA, Lordship may observe that we may be allowed to participate in the
No, no,
examination.
out of question. Out of question. You filled in the examination form on 14th of October 2022.
No, my lord, we could not apply because, my lord, the online form. the-
Online forms were closed
Closed, my lord, because the.
and you were supposed to file manual.
No, my lord, what happened, my lord?
Nothing doing.
My
These are
problem-
all, these are, should not be within the purview of 226 to such an extent.
No, my lord, what I am
Judicial
submitting.
review is not permissible to the hilt.
No, my lord, we could not apply because in the online form, the batches of
Mr.
2000.
Counsel, Coventy University is at a distance of 4 kilometers from this place.
My lord, we specific
Then
averment in the
You go to
petition, my lord.
UGC and you don't go to Coventy University?
They refuse to meet us, my lord. That
Naturally.
paragraph 11, 12 and 13 of the petition, my lord, lordship may
Nothing-
kindly peruse, my lord.
Nothing can be done. If you want a dismissal order, we are ready to pass that. Or else you wait. Your choice. Nothing can be done. You can't be foisted upon the university like this. That years of rules. पढ़ने दो उनको.
My lordship can kindly come to page 26 for a moment, my
You
lord.
read para 30 onwards of the judgment.
My lord, I have control, my lord, definitely, my lord. I am not again, my equitable relief, I have, the innocuous prayer, my lord.
Equitable not for such persons who
Otherwise,
have not cleared first LLB by exhausting 3 chances.
my lord, and 3 chances, my lord, in the university, my lord, prospectus, it was not mentioned. They referred, they relied.
See, rules are to be seen by everybody, whether you are a student or I am a student. Rules apply uniformly. Prospectus or no prospectus. This is not a tender document. You are not buying a mutual fund in the market. You are
Well,
studying.
there was no examination was held in 2020 because
That
of.
we have seen because of COVID.
Yes, my lord.
But that doesn't, in spite of that, you have already exhausted 3. At least 3 of you have exhausted in 21 itself.
We have already invested so much of time and effort, my lord. It is not a
It
case
will,
that we
it
have
will
not.
be helpful to you when you appear next year or in the next semester.
That if your lordship gives that liberty, my
No,
lord.
no, we will not say anything.
Otherwise, they will not allow us to appear, my lord.
If the rules provide, they will allow. Otherwise, we are not going to twist the rules. Merit has to be seen. And the time limit, we can't extend the last date of filling in the form for examination. The matter ends there. Why should we examine further? If you want, we may adjourn the matter. Your choice.
At least, my lord, for 4th semester back papers, my lord. And petitioner number 1, due to illness, he could not appear
At the
in.
most, we may issue notice as it is a matter of student. After university comes, if any way out is found out, try your luck.
Lord.
Heard learned advocate for the party. Notice. Returnable on 19th of January. Next. Does the service permitted? Solve them, otherwise
My lord.
no way will be found out.
My lord.
Next.
Matter number 12 of daily list.
Brother. Okay. No, this is it. Mr. Chaudhary, this is your matter. You will have to cure it properly.
Lordship,
It is pending for condonation of delay of 30 days since 7 years.
Lordship,
I don't know what purpose would be served now.
Lordship, I will look into, in fact, Ms. Gayan was looking after this
She
matter.
is appearing.
I'll take it up, Lordship.
Substitution required.
Lordship, I will look into
And
it.
I may tell you that in the main memo, some substitution is carried out. So whether it is carried out or in proper manner or not, please look at it.
Lordship,
Unnecessarily, it is pending since 7 years.
Lordship.
At the request of Mr. Akedi Chaudhary. 20 January. Next,
Matter number 13,
who appears for the government in this? Mr. Bora. You will be appearing, somebody from the government panel would be appearing for Assistant Labor Commissioner and Labor Officer also.
yes, we can.
State of Assam is there through Secretary Labor Department and
Yes.
Labor Commissioner. Who would be the concerned advocate?
I will appear.
Hmm?
I am appearing.
You are appearing.
Yeah.
There is delay of 23 days.
Right.
We will condone it.
My lord.
Delay condone.
Yes. Obliged.
Next.
Matter number 14,
Lordship, as per honorable court order, we have to take step to the respondent matter. Although earlier step was taken, my lord.
Time to take
Honorable
step.
court director, my lord, will take, my lord.
Time to take steps is extended till 27th of January.
Must.
matter number 15,
It's a lot, my lord. No, we need 2 weeks time to seek instruction from
Next.
petitioner, my lord.
matter number 16,
I'm for the appellate lordship in respondent, we have challenged the order of the single bench for the appointment of the in-charge principal of the Dampur High School. So in the meantime, the respondent one has been retired from service.
No,
So-
4, 6 and 7 are unsolved.
Yes.
You take steps so that because they are directly affected parties.
But in lordship, for the record, it is says that petitioner has been retired from service already.
So what do you want?
So I think they have been not been interested, and it may be infructuous.
Are you making a statement? Then we may close the proceeding.
You want to close this proceeding?
I may not be because he's a agreed party. We have challenged the appointment of the respondent number one.
Who is in appeal?
I'm the appellant. The Dampur High.
Now you have retired. You have retired.
Lordship.
Have you attained the age of superannuation?
He is a pain. He is a pain.
My learned friend is appearing for the school management committee.
School
They
manager.
are in appeal.
Ah.
And his contention perhaps is that the person whose
The
appointment they are
respondent-
challenging,
He has
that
retired.
person is retired.
So there was no stay in between.
There was no stay.
There was no stay.
No stay.
Therefore, the cause would not survive.
Okay.
But then he has to tell us. We can
Yes.
tell. We only
Yes,
read the paper.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Pathak,
Yes, sir.
he has to tell us.
Yes.
I submit it.
What do you submit, counsel? Do you press this petition or appeal, or you don't press the appeal?
So my instructions are the petitioner has been no more in the school. So he's retired from service, and the grievance which have been challenged is no more will survive.
Are you withdrawing this petition? Do you want to say that it has become infructuous?
In fact,
Next,
Published.
matter number 19 and 20,
Lordship, in this matter, Mr. R. Majumdar was appearing. I was informed that there has been a bereavement in his family.
adjourn.
Letter number 21.
Yes, sir.
In this case, I am appearing for response number 7.
A Islam appears for the appeal.
Yes, Milord.
Hmm. The learned counsel for the appellant shall take fresh step upon response number 5. Fresh notice to unsought response number 5 returnable on 30th of January. Please inform Mr. Islam. Next,
Letter number 22.
who appears in this? Bora. SK Gauson is there. The issue is pending before the apex court. Huh?
One matter is pending for
Related matter, my lord.
Mr. R.K. Bora, learned counsel appearing for the government. State that the matter is pending before the Honorable Apex Court for adjudicate
Yes.
and session for 4 weeks. Inquire and tell us
Yes, madam.
next.
Letter number 23 to 26.
May it please the lordship. Lordship, I appear in item number 23, my lord. In this, there is an application for implement of the selected candidates as respondents, my lord. Barring that there are 107 applicants, respondents, my lord. All have been served, barring respondent number 49, my lord. We had taken steps several times, but he is not yet to be found. So that's how the matter is before your lordship today.
Then come with a application for substitute service
Yes, we will that.
at the request of learned counsel is adjourned for 2 weeks. Next,
Oblige.
counsel for the applicant.
Letter number 27.
My lord, this is Metapil, my lord. Respondent number 1 has appeared, my lord. Can it be in admission, my lord? Is in admission,
We will call for the record and proceeding.
my lord?
We will call for the lower court record and proceeding.
Yes, my lord.
Mukul bhai, who was pass and out. Call for the record and proceed from the lower court so as to reach this court on or before 30th of January, adjourned to 1st of February. Next,
Letter number 28.
who appears for the state here?
that department mainly appearing, my lord.
This is regarding anomalies of utilization of farmers, this is a long back matter, my lord. The petitioner has already represented before the minister, before the honorable.
No,
chief
9,
minister.
11, 15 and 17 are not served.
Acha, steps are not.
Press notice to unsolved respondents number 9, 11, 15 and 17. Returnable after 4 weeks. To be served additionally by registered post AD. Next,
Letter number 29.
Kayalin. Metapit. Even counsel for the appellant is not present. However, in the interest of justice, adjourn to 17th of January. Next,
Letter number 30,
Item number 30, your lordship, Mr. S. Shaker may not like to take up this matter. Is appearing for the state of Arunachal.
adjourn. So automatic हो जाए.
letter number 31,
Lordship, appear for the petitioners in this matter. Meanwhile, the state government has filed an SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court. So Lordship, we like to await the outcome of that proceeding. So Lordship may kindly list this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, for respondent number 1 and 2, Lordship, I appear, Lordship, but they are no longer holding their post, Lordship. So they need to implement.
Because this was pending in 2019 also.
Okay.
There is an order.
Okay.
What has happened to the SLP?
Lordship is still pending, Lord.
Still pending.
Lordship.
As the proceedings are pending before the apex court and counsel appearing for the applicant. 6th time, adjourn to 6th of February. 6th February. Next,
letter number 32,
yes, Bora.
Education matter, Lordship. Appeal filed by the Education Department.
Respondents are not out.
Please appear.
I'm appearing, my lord.
You are appearing.
After, my lord, receiving the notice of contempt, my lord, they prepared this
There is a delay of 210 days.
lordship.
We may condone it.
And there is no explanation,
In delay
there is no
condonation.
explanation regarding delay. my lord.
So, that is the explanation, sir. Luckily for our order, delay condone. The main appeal be listed for admission in the week beginning from 23rd of January. Next. बोला साहब का नाम लिख ले.
letter number 33,
Yes,
Lordship. Present status is not received, Lordship.
no, all are sold.
I will still, take. Sometime it's required to take instruction.
At the request of London Council. Next.
letter number 34,
Lordship, let the matter become after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Next.
letter number 35,
Lordship, I appear for the petition in this matter. Lordship, Mr. Chaudhary is in the midst of part third matter. Lordship, may I pray the matter may come after vacation, Lord.
Next.
letter number 36,
Wait, please, your lordship. I may be allowed to withdraw this contempt petition, the matter has become infructuous, my lord.
Next.
The writ petition has been allowed already by this honorable court.
No obligation, lord.
Next.
letter number 37,
Please, your Lord. Lordship, steps has been taken on respondent number 3, Lordship. Others, we have already taken. And as per last order, we are supposed to take on respondent number 3, Lordship.
Are they sold? All are sold?
Serve, Lordship.
All.
All serve, Lordship.
Let us see. Oh, Ben, कुछ दे रही है देख. Justice service is completed.
Lordship,
Justice service upon number 3 is completed.
completed, Lordship.
Miss Devi, R. Devi,
LDB.
N. Devi, learned Central Government Council. List is on record. The communication dated 20th June 2022, which indicates that phone number 3 is served as per the earlier order dated
14.
18/5/2022. The record indicates that the other respondents are served. Those served, no one appears on behalf of the opponent. Delay of 176 days. अपना ऑर्डर करते हैं delay का judgment के साथ. Next, we matter to be listed on 23rd of January for admission. Next.
Letter number 38.
May I please? The affidavit has been filed by the respondent number 2 and 3, but in the affidavit is required from the respondent number 1.
This is a government affidavit, my lord.
Because
Deputy Secretary has filed.
The issue here is, is a late infrastructure of the.
My lord, 38 to my lord, 42, my lord, are analogous. The problem is 41 and 42, my lord. Honorable Justice S. Soike is appearing, my lord.
38 is different.
39. Which is a week to definitely.
We are making it. I think it's from 39.
different.
39 about, so sorry. Sorry, ma'am.
Today, I think you have come to our court to only say that brother Sakya is appearing.
Oh, no.
Now, Mr. Counsel, instead of relying on technicalities, please spell out if any infrastructure is yet to be created or constructed or structured at the consumer forum. Because this is not an opponent brief for him also or anybody. It is for a good purpose that you have come here. So budget has been provided.
Yes.
Mr. Pathak,
My lord, I am the petitioner.
I have seen it,
Here,
therefore I,
The difficulty, my lord, is that though some budgetary provisions have been made, as a whole, the infrastructure has not been revamped, my lord. The commission is yet unable to take up hearing matters, my lord, even today, my lord. So the government may kindly relook into the issue, and we have given an exhaustive list in the petition itself as to what are the requirements, my lord. If that is re-examined, my lord,
yes, but
Because, my lord, they have to send the requirement, my lord, how much
No,
budget
no,
is
no,
required. That we have said in the
Wait,
affidavit.
wait, it is two things.
Well.
One thing is, it is responsibility of the government to create appropriate infrastructure.
Yes.
They have not to send requisition for 15 chairs and 20 tables.
No, that's true.
Ah.
Yes.
If,
But
because you are the master,
Yes.
you know, this is not judiciary. This is managed by your consumer department.
Well.
Food and civil supply.
food and civil cap.
In your Sachivalais, you have such offices.
That's true. My lord, it is not like that we are providing, my lord. Maybe some left is still there.
That is why I was urging Mr. Pathak that you tell us that what are the things
Yes.
to be done
Yes, yes,
instead of, finding fault with each other.
yes, yes, yes.
Because when you are appearing for the government, I have to be careful. Otherwise,
My lord.
you are very tricky advocate. I know that. Therefore, Mr. Pathak,
my lord,
best thing is they have filed an opposition.
my lord.
I'm not saying that you file a rejoinder to that, but file an additional affidavit enlisting what is to be done
My lord,
so that government can be asked to done maybe in a phase manner.
my lord,
Because budgetary concerns must be there.
my lord, I understand.
That is the best way.
Right.
Till petitioner to file. an affidavit stating what other facilities are still lacking in the infrastructure and smooth functioning of the consumer forum. Such affidavit shall be filed within by the next date of hearing, adjourned to 30th of January.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
Next,
Item number 39 to 42.
adjourned. We'll simply say adjourned. Next,
Actually, my learned, my Honorable Justice S. Soik is appearing in this case.
I know that.
Yes.
Was appearing.
Was appeared in this case.
We don't want him to appear now.
Yes, my lord. The
Even if he
matter is-
wants, even if he wishes, he can't appear now.
My lord, matter is related to consent from the
And
state.
now forget when my brother is
I
part
cannot
of,
take up to.
Yes, well,
we can't hear him.
Even for a different bit.
yes, well.
But we are only saying adjourn at the joint request. Next,
Item number 43.
this is your.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My lord, I filed this application, an application for review of your lordship. Judgmental order passed in EIL, my lord. By which EIL Kuomoto 1 of 22. By which, my lord, your lordship directed the departments, governmental Assam and the forest department to evict the persons who are enclosed on the forest land at Golpara.
Yes,
I-
yes.
The petitioners before the lordship are the villagers of the 4 villages who have been there for the last more than 25 years. And they have been settled
No,
with
but
land
i-
also by the forest department.
Mr. Counsel,
My lord,
we have given certain direction.
my lord, my lord.
Now, if any actions are taken, you file substantive petition. Where is the question of review of the order?
Your direction, lordship, will
No,
file.
directions we have given.
Yes, my lord.
There is, the order 47 does not permit us to change the order like that unless and until there is an error apparent. If any actions are taken against you,
My lord.
then the cause of action may arise in your favor. You challenge it by proper proceeding. This is the question of review of this order.
Because
We have not
since
foreclosed your right to challenge it.
that is true, my lord. that is
Then
true.
you go
But-
before
But
appropriate forum.
since the petitioners were not present before your
No, this
lordship.
was a public interest litigation and we have given general guidelines or
General
rather
guideline, yes, yes,
general.
my lord. Yes,
If any in action in persona is taken, you have a right challenge it. There is no question of review of this order. There is no error apparent. Our scope of 47, you know it better than anybody else in this courtroom.
that's true, my lord.
So take proper proceedings. If they evict, for example, they evict you without even notice or something like that, then you may have a cause of action. Even otherwise, you have a cause of action. Challenge is, where is the question of reviewing this order? We have given general guidelines.
That is true, my lord.
Ah.
General guideline.
We'll say that applicants are at liberty to take appropriate proceedings if any actions are taken pursuant to the direct.
158. Serial number 3.
My lord, that is the,
Protect your interest. Case of any eviction drive has to be by the process of law.
We have
your
stated-
lordship has already stated.
We
Yes,
have stated so.
that is true, my lord. That
Ah.
is- Since we were not present when the proceeding was taken up, my lord, that's why I am before your lordship.
It is a public interest litigation. These are not in persona matters that we have foreclosed your right. Challenge it if any actions are taken. Where is the question of review? Recover, heard on it. Senior counsel, do you press this application?
My lord,
Do you press this application? Or we may say that you will take appropriate, you are at
Your-
liberty.
I leave it to your lordship, my lord.
Learned counsel appearing for the Mr. T.P. Chalya. Learned senior advocate assisted by Ms. M. Roy for the applicant and Mr. K.P. Pathak for the respondent. By this application, the applicant seeks to have prayed for review of the order dated so and so passed in public interest litigation, PIL Motto 1 of 2022. This court by the order dated so and so have given general guidelines and have also specifically provided that in case if any eviction drive is taken against the illegal and alleged illegal against illegal encroachment, the same shall be carried out by the authorities after following due process of law. No case for review is made out. The applicants are at liberty to take appropriate recourse to law in case if the authorities take any action in accordance with law. Next,
My name may be also shown, my lord,
अब आपका भी नाम बता
and thus, like.
No keep